Here's a great chipping practice drill. Certainly one that you can improve your technique and improve your quality of strike on the ball. We're going to go into the 5 rule setup with the philosophy of hitting down. 5 rules once again: 1 shoe distance off the ball, ball off your back foot, slightly open stance, shoulders staying straight, hands left, weight left. Now that's the one that we see a lot of problems with, is people getting the weight on their left foot at the last minute. So you might be a player that gets in here beside the ball, and you should, by doing a couple of practice swings, and then basically coming on in, you've done everything correct except all of a sudden you're back here. So to eliminate that, what we're going to do is we're going to practice, technically practicing. Well, this is not a game-based thing, this is a technical-based thing. We're going to get into the 5 rule setup. Heaviness, feel the heaviness of the club in your hands, hold the club lightly, get yourself ready to rumble, and then basically put your right foot back up and onto its toe, and then go ahead and hit your chip shot. I'll guarantee that'll improve your contact on the back of the ball, that will improve your flight, and it will guarantee that you do the 5th and most important rule of chipping, which is to have your weight on that left foot. I hope that helps with your confidence. I hope that helps with your ball striking with regards to chipping.